Well, some snow headed for the high country this afternoon as a cold front comes through and increases our wind speeds. It pulls in that moisture mainly to our mountains north of I-74 today. Behind that, high pressure builds back up and we are looking at quite the warm end to our week. We've been warm, but we'll see temperatures build even more as we go Thursday and into Friday with high pressure dominating. Now, as far as satellite and radar, that snow developing in the early morning hours and will continue through the afternoon, and along with that snowfall comes some strong gusty winds in the mountains. So we have winter weather advisories in place for our northern mountains. The Park and Gore ranges could expect again that 4 to 10 inches, but along with that could see some 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts. And some of that impact could trickle down to I-70, Rabbit Ears Pass, places like that. If you are traveling up into the high country today, that's where we'll want to keep our eye on for the potential for some of those travel impacts. Here's how Futurecast plays out for us through the day today. Not ruling out the possibility that we could see a little bit of that moisture come down into some of the lower elevations. A very stray sprinkle chance going really after the dinner time hour for us today. Could see some of that moisture move down. Otherwise, a little more cloud cover for our Tuesday afternoon. And again, with the snow accumulation potential, could see some travel impacts along I-70 toward the Eisenhower Tunnel, Berthoud Pass, Rabbit Ears Pass. 4 to 10 inches of snow expected there on average. High temperatures today up into the mountains, getting into the 30s and 40s. We'll look for highs across the Denver metro to be in the low 50s, and windy conditions will dominate as well. Boulder and Broomfield counties looking to reach about 50 in Boulder, Superior 53, over toward Broomfield 53 this afternoon as well. That's where we see a lot of really windy conditions when we do have these gusty days, and today will be no exception. Wind gusts this afternoon getting to that 30 to 40 mile per hour range with some isolated 50 mile per hour gusts as you head up into the foothills and into the high country as well. So just prepare yourself for a breezy afternoon as that front does move through. Fortunately, winds will relax overnight and we'll see quieting conditions as we do head into our Wednesday. Temperatures only continue to build going through the rest of this week. By Wednesday, we're in the low 50s with mostly sunny sky. Headed into the day Thursday, we're in the upper 50s. By Friday, low 60s possible. And that's how we start the weekend. The winter solstice falls on Saturday and we are well above normal. The forecast takes us here through Christmas Day. Temperatures staying about 10 to 20 degrees above average. Now by Christmas, we have a very, very slight chance that we could see a little bit of maybe a light rain at this point. But of course, we'll keep our eye on that as it gets closer. Otherwise, just expect this above average dry trend to carry us through this extended forecast.